Isa ito sa mga nagbibigay buhay sa business process outsourcing industry sa lungsod. Marami nang naempleyo ang mga call center sa Bacolod City. Isang patunay lang dito ang Teleperformance Bacolod na tumatanggap ng hanggang 150 applicants sa isang buwan. Dahil dito, nabibigyan ng mas magandang oportunidad ang mga Bacolodons na magkaroon ng trabahong mas makakatulong sa kanilang pamumuhay.
Ang naging benepisyo ng BPO para sa akin ay ang pagkakaroon ng trabaho. Nakapagtulong ako sa aking pamilya at sa aking mga kapatid sa pag-aaral.
Kasunod nito, ang Cebu City na isa ring Center of Excellence tulad ng Metro Manila ay pinapurihan ni Pangulong Arroyo nang siya'y bumisita sa Qualfon sa loob ng world-class na Asia Town IT Park nito.
As far as Tolons is concerned, they have listed among the top 50 Quezon City, Pasig, and Mandaluyong. But they listed number 1, Cebu City. So I should say Cebu City and Metro Manila. So to be in the survey of the top 50 emerging global outsourcing destinations, and as Mr. Belen pointed out, better than many of those world capitals that we all read about in the front pages. And why do they put Cebu as number 1? According to Tolons, it's mainly due to the scale and quality of the workforce, of the modern infrastructure, of the business catalysts, of the risk profile, and the cost and quality of life.
Job generation din ang laging kaugnay ng mga bagong investors na tulad ng Qualfon na may mahigit 2,000 empleyado.
This allowed us youths to be able to explore and not just have jobs but earn a bit higher than usual. So it also helped us, our family and our friends, especially in Cebu, wherein the cost of living is not that difficult compared to others like Manila. So here, it allowed us to save as well. So mostly living in Cebu, since BPO.net is here and fastly growing, it's an advantage really.
I would say I'm very thankful to the President for pushing such a program because without these businesses, we would not be able to apply and be able to have higher income, and also it's giving us an advantage in a way that we don't have to have a degree just to get a job. We just have to know our skills and develop our skills.
Ang Davao City sa Mindanao ay ang huling destinasyon ng Cyber Corridor Tour ni Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo noong 3 araw ng Pebrero. Binisita niya ang Concentrix, isa sa business process outsourcing o BPO na 3 taon nang may operasyon sa Davao City. Dito sa naturang lungsod, matatagpuan ang pinakamalaking pasilidad ng Concentrix sa Pilipinas.
Concentrix actually opened here in Davao basically because we have identified some untapped resources in Davao, and studies have shown that most of the people who actually work in call centers in Manila actually originate from Davao and from the Mindanao region. More than that, Davao in a study has also been identified as one of the top 5 Asian cities with the most competitive workforce. So there's a lot of opportunities in Davao. That's the reason why Concentrix is here in Davao.
Mula sa 60 empleyado sa pagsisimula ng kanilang operasyon sa Davao City, mayroon ng halos 1,200 katao ang nagtatrabaho ngayon sa Concentrix. Sa Estados Unidos nakabase ang headquarters ng kumpanya at bukod sa Pilipinas ay may operasyon din ito sa mga bansang China, Japan, Costa Rica at Nicaragua. Pinarangalan din ang Concentrix bilang employer of choice sa Davao City dahil sa mga benepisyong ibinibigay nito sa mga empleyado.
In behalf of Concentrix, we're very happy that we have been identified to be the site for her visit. But more than that, you know, Concentrix is just a small part of a big chunk of the BPO industry here in Davao. And we're so happy, the BPO force here in Davao is very happy to have been visited by the President, to be able to present to her what our company has been doing, what the industry has been doing, and how it has been performing over the years. And hopefully with this visit and with whatever she sees in the presentations we will have a little later, she will get to see how big an improvement we can still give for the industry.
Matapos bisitahin ang working area ng Concentrix, nagbigay ng mensahe si Pangulong Arroyo na kung saan pinsalamatan niya ang Davao City sa pagtulong nito na mabigyang katuparan ang kanyang vision na ma-develop ito bilang isa sa cyber corridor ng bansa.
That's why I'm here tonight. To announce that Davao is an important part of our cyber corridor. It is one of what we call the next wave cities for ICT investment. Some of the reasons given for putting Davao in the top 10 next wave cities is that Davao has nearly 500,000 high-quality workers. You know, that's the largest talent pool among all the next wave cities. You will not find another city in the Philippines or even a group of metropolis cities in the next wave city having that number. And I understand there are 18 call centers in Davao City with almost 7,000 employees, including major players like Callbox, Cyber City, Global, Connect, Sutherland, Western Watch, and our host, Concentrix. Thank you. Indeed, Davao has come a long way as far as ICT is concerned.
Kalahating milyong trabaho at patuloy na tumataas pa ang nalikha ng trabaho ng BPO industry. Bahagi ito ng pamanang iiwan ng Pangulo para sa susunod na gobyerno. Umaasa rin ang Pangulo na sa susunod na 20 taon, ang Pilipinas ay patungo na sa pagiging isang first world o maunlad na bansa.